Okay, we're going to talk about the safety of the machine. We have a guard in place that's fixed. It should not be removed. Do not operate the machine without the guard in place. It's for your protection. Do keep your hands away from the moving parts. There are ways around it. You should be trained not to put your hands in harm's way. We have an e-stop. If there's an emergency, you hit this, the machine will stop all motion and return to its safe position. To clear this occurrence, you pull the switch back out. The alarm is still present. To clear that alarm now, you have to acknowledge it by hitting the reset button, and we could actually start running again. We have lockout tagout, so if we're going to do anything on this machine, you must, per NFPA 79, lock out this machine. You're going to lock out all potential energy, electric and pneumatic. We'll show you how to do that here. The electric would be done on the cord cap. The air would be done here. Right there dumps the air and all that potential energy. The electrical cord cap, there'll be a cord cap provided with the machine such that you can put that cover on it. We got do not access the panels with it powered up. And again, lock out and tag out for safety. This is one of the cord caps that will be provided with the machine such that if it's to be serviced, cleaning is also service, mechanically, electrically, or cleaning and servicing. You lock out, put the cord cap on, and dump the potential air energy also.